Hello, welcome back guys to Spotter channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to view saved bookmark in Brave on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Brave applications, and after, if you want to see or if you want to view the saved bookmarks in your Brave application, you just have to tap on this three dots icon, and now simply you just have to tap on this show all options. Now at the bottom we'll find that the bookmarks options. Just tap on it and open it, and yeah, as you can see, it will be looking like this. Just tap on this mobile bookmarks. This is the size that we have saved to our bookmarks in the Brave applications before, you guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video, a tutorial how to view saved bookmark in a Brave on iPhone. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.